They're going down the river, and they hit one of the shifting sandbars for which the Cape Fear River got its name. Now, the river is a tidal river, so the captain knew that eventually the tide was going to come in, it was going to lift them off the sandbar, they were going to be fine, they were going to be able to set sail. Checks himself for injuries, checks at air for injuries, and he sends his first mate, Peter Jorgensen, around the ship to see if there were any damages to the vessel. Well, imagine you're Peter Jorgensen. He's got his lantern. He's wandering around the ship. He's looking over to see if there are any damages. And there is a man clinging to the side of the ship. Now, he knows the faces of all of his crewmates. This is not one of his fellow sailors. The man has got a beard that is crusted with ice and snow. He's got a big gash in his forehead. One hand, he is gripping that railing for dear life. The other, he is pointing downriver. Peter Jorgensen, being a good sailor, shouts, "Man overboard!" And he reaches to help this poor guy. And just as he does,